And we are in front of an interesting Sunliving by Adria. The exact model is Sunliving V60 SP Extra. The final price for this is 67,529 euros. And we have a large opening revealing the Citroën Fiat Ducato chassis, and this actually large sitting area with this interesting thing. Wide, two additional cupboards top. They left this part so you have a lot more room, and on the upper part we had actual pop-up roof bed. Sorry, but it's dark, so not so visible. And from this part, two burners, sink with really long, large cabinets for all your stuff and kitchenware. Not bad at all. Let's check the last one. Yeah, they're all the same. On this part, another additional storage unit, and then we have the fridge. Very nice size. Under the fridge, another storage for your belongings. And from this side, we have a nice looking bathroom, sink, and Thetford cassette toilet with some storage on that part. And on the back, we have this bed that I will be measuring from the back. 4 storage units on each, on 2 on each side. And going out and checking actual bed size from the back. So we have around 1.451 from this side and 1.4 from this side. And from the actual longest part, we are looking at about 1.934. Oh, pretty nice bed. And then we can measure the actual storage compartment garage. It's 1 meter, and from the widest part, it's about 1.3 meters. Not bad at all for this Sunliving camper van. Nice.